Hey everyone, time for another demo. So building on the last demo that I showed, where I got the text formatting working, I wanted to make a boot screen to kind of, I don't know, just give a little bit of a vibe or a feel to when this whole thing starts up. I kind of have a plan for how that'll work, and more I'll develop later, and you'll see that. But for now, I just wanted to make a little boot up sequence, and also that will kind of then lead you into the main interface. So I'll show that now. Um, So it's just gonna type out some text. I don't know, it's all very, very made up. But it's just kind of want to contribute to that feel that I want this to be, a device that somebody would use to crack a safe or get at some secret files or whatever premise I invent later. So it kind of just goes through like an automated sequence that fails, and then it suggests that you do it manually. So then you can tap to launch the main device UI. And of course, you can also just tap on the screen and then you can skip that entirely if you don't want to watch it type out, which I'd imagine would get pretty boring after a while. And then you can kind of go about your business, which I guess I haven't shown this yet. So maybe just as a quick little demonstration. These are going to be the buttons where you input the colors for the code sequence, and then you can click this button. You can kind of cancel it if you don't hold it long enough. And it'll pop up with some info that I haven't really fleshed out about whether or not that sequence was good and how good it was. And then this little counter up here will um, kind of increment and give you some feedback as to where you are. You're going to get to have 10 trials. And this will kind of tell you where you're at with that. So I can kind of just keep going and I'll give you, variance. Now it goes red because it's like, okay, you don't really have a lot of attempts left. And then on your last attempt, it will flash at you kind of as like, okay, hey, this is your last attempt, warning. Also, there's going to be a button over here which will take you to a page that will show you um, what you've tried so far. And right now, it's just a little temporary thing that kind of gives you the stuff that you have. But anyway, yeah, mostly just worked on the boot kind of boot window, boot startup thing today, and it'll probably change, but I'm happy with the way that it's fleshing out. That's all. See you guys later.